everybody. Welcome to Designing Docs. After taking a look at some of the best practices for setting up, now we're going to explore the most common schema that we see in Coda Docs. And the first schema is all in the name. It's just one big table. This is a really great schema for small projects and small teams, or if you're just getting started. If you're not sure where to begin, just start with one big old table. So how this will work is you have one big table. You go to that little plus sign up inside of Coda, right up here, and go ahead and create a new one. Now, the thing about one big table is you need to decide what is the item that this table is tracking. So if I think about a task tracker, the item is probably a task because that has all of the other information about it. A task has an owner, it has a status, it has effort, and all of that. Now, if you're not quite sure, what is the item in my table? Ask yourself, what part of this table has the most descriptors, has the most attributes? What are all of these other columns describing? And that's going to let you know what should be your display column. So if we were thinking about a CRM, the display column, the item, might be a customer because all of the other things in the table, the address, the phone number, their title, describe the customer name. So that would be my display column. If I'm thinking about an OKR tracker, the item might be the objective because we have all of this descriptors, all of the items and attributes describing it, right? So the objective, and then that lets me know when is it going to hit, what are the key results, who is the accountable party, who's the team, what are the different dependencies that it has. So really thinking about what is that key column. That's going to be your starting place. Now, what you could do with this one big table is you could decide to filter it in different ways. You could add conditional formatting and really just start to make sense of it. One of the things I like about the one big table is it lets you get started quickly and then lets you learn where else you might want to go as your team grows and scales. As you're starting to realize, I really need more information, or I actually have some other sort of subtables that are really important, that's going to let you know. So as soon as the one big table stops serving you, ask yourself, where is it breaking down? And that's going to let you know which of the other schema you might want to grow and evolve this into. But if I speak for myself, so many of my docs use this one big table, it ends up being sufficient for probably about 80% of what I do in the business world. With that, we'll see you next time.